Today I'm going to teach you how to make the best Parmigiana steak you've ever eaten in your entire life. It's delicious. This was a secret that the chef revealed to me. Let's start by seasoning our meat with a teaspoon of salt. And here you can use the meat of your preference. Here I have about 800 grams. I also added half a spoonful of black pepper, half a spoonful of sweet paprika, and half a spoonful of oregano. Then we'll add half a spoonful of saffron, half a spoonful of Calabrian pepper, half a spoonful of lemon pepper, half a spoonful of garlic powder, and finally add half a spoonful of rosemary. Now add 2 spoonfuls of mayonnaise, the juice of 1 lemon, and mix everything very well. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. And remember that all the seasonings are to taste. You can use whatever you prefer. Okay, now we're going to add 3 crushed bay leaves. Once done, cover with plastic wrap and let it marinate for 30 minutes. If you prefer, you can leave it overnight. It will be even tastier. Then, in a frying pan, add a little olive oil. Then add the steaks and let them fry. If you've never had steak prepared this way, you need to make this recipe. It's amazing. Now just cover it and let one side fry very well. As soon as one side is fried, turn it over and let it fry the other side. And if you're enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below about the city or country you're watching us from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now let's add a sliced onion. Then add tomato sauce. Then cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now let's finish by adding slices of cheese on top. Here I used 6 slices of cheese. Then sprinkle a little oregano, cover and let the cheese melt. And our recipe is ready. You can serve it. Look how wonderful it turned out. Perfect. And if you got this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. What rating would you give this recipe? I really hope you liked it. I'll leave it here. A big hug. And until the next recipe.